rising oceans to artificial intelligence, pandemics, nuclear weapons, biodiversity collapse. Humanity stands at crossroads. Is it the end of Homo sapiens species? Top scientists, technologists, world leaders are warning us. Let's be very clear. Homo sapiens are remarkably resilient species. We have survived ice ages, plagues that wiped out millions, wars that scorched continents, disaster that reshaped civilization. The threats are real. Unlike before, these threats are more powerful, more complex. I am Akshay. Welcome to my channel. Today, species of only livable planet on the solar system is facing threat of extinction. 5 unprecedented, interconnected threats, which include nuclear weapons, climate change, pandemics, artificial intelligence, biodiversity collapse. Each threat alone could damage whole civilization. Together, they may form perfect storm. Nuclear nightmare. In the last leap of Second World War in 1940s, USA attacked Hiroshima and Nagasaki with nuclear bomb, leading to death of millions. Its impact is still visible on the ground. Today, on this planet Earth, we have 12,000 nuclear weapons. Just imagine what kind of capacity they may have. Just few nuclear detonation could throw millions of tons of soot into upper atmosphere, resulting in no sunlight, no photosynthesis. As a result, no food. Agriculture will collapse. Famine-like situation everywhere, resulting in death, misery. During the peak of Cold War between Soviet Russia and USA, there was a possibility of another nuclear attack. We have come very closer. Incident happened in 1983. Soviet officer Stanislav Petrov did not follow the protocol, that resulting in no retaliation. Hence, he must have saved the world from another nuclear war. These systems are not perfect. They are built by humans. Humans are usually stressed, fragile, and sometimes too weak to handle it. Once the missile is launched, no one can stop it. It can only lead to doomsday. Climate catastrophe. Climate crisis is not just about polar bears anymore. It's about us, survival of human beings. Increasing global temperature due to greenhouse gas emissions from vehicles and coal-based power plants, resulting in chain of consequences in the form of extreme weathers, heat waves, change in cropping pattern, mass migration, heavy pressure on land, water and food. UN report says Earth is 1.2 degree more warmer than pre-industrial levels. 1 billion people can become climate refugees by 2050. If Paris Pact is not followed, in principle, global temperature might rise to 2.7 degree to 3 degrees Celsius by 2100. Earth climate has tipping points, delicate thresholds, Arctic ice sheet melting, permafrost releasing methane can trigger new, often less desirable state. Engineered pandemics. COVID-19 started in China, spread across the globe, killing around 70 lakh people. Its result is still visible. Devastated state economy, taken away livelihood of many millions. It reflects how fragile global systems are. No, imagine not natural but engineered one. Advancement in synthetic biology and genetic engineering are really breathtaking. Today, scientists can edit genes. They can produce superhuman beings. Single act of malice or mistake could take away millions of lives. No missile needs to fly. No border needs to be crossed. In this hyper-connected world, single mistake in the lab can create global catastrophe. Just imagine pathogen engineered to be highly infectious, asymptomatic for days, resisting to treatment. Good combination for global catastrophe. That means we need safeguards, biosecurity, so that we can live peaceful life. Artificial intelligence. We have built machines that can write a code, that can compose a music, even can speak like humans. More importantly, it is more intelligent than human beings. They themselves can do multiple tasks without help of human beings. It is putting humans are at risk. Today, artificial intelligence or robotics or machine learning is taking away jobs of human beings. It is making people unemployed. As a result, per capita income is declining. Humans are becoming poorer day by day. This is increasing economic inequality. Advantages with respect to machine is that they do not complain. They can work 24/7. No breaks required. On the other hand, humans require pay hike, holiday trip, and they have the habit of complaining each and every activities. As a result, machines are replacing human beings in many sectors. Just imagine tomorrow, if machines start dictating terms on humans, then humans becomes slaves of the machines. If we ask ourselves a simple question, can we spend a day without mobile? If answer is yes, that means machines are slowly becoming integral part of our life. They may start dictating terms on us. That is the way forward for machine-controlled universe. Biodiversity collapse. Today, population on this planet Earth is more than 9 billion. Only India and China has more than 2.7 billion population. It is putting a lot of pressure on land, water, and food. Coming to the food, somehow we have overcome the problem of famine because of green revolution and genetically modified crops. Problem is not of availability, it's about quality. Because of use of fertilizers and pesticides in agriculture, we are getting chemically infected food, in turn impacting our health. Many experts are predicting that Third World War would happen because of water. Water is not only becoming scarce, it's getting polluted because of exploitation by industrial and agriculture sector. Arsenic and fluoride content is increasing in the groundwater. Finally, coming to the land, it is fragmented, degraded, and desertificated because of exploitation. Slowly, it is shrinking. Quality of land is getting degraded. As a result of pollution of land, water, and food impacting our fragile ecosystem, that is forest and its biodiversity. Species are becoming extinct. Their habitat is getting distracted. Overall, food chain and food web is getting affected, endangering critical species on this planet Earth. In turn, ecosystem is becoming more fragile, more vulnerable. We never know when it will explode. We have entered ages of polycrisis, when multiple crises converge, amplify each other. That will lead to not single wave, it is tsunami of unpredictable waves. These tsunami of waves can destroy each one of us. It is right time to awake. Take bold decision. We might be the first species to extinct with full awareness about our choices. Remember, we have solutions for our problems. We know how to reduce global emissions. We know how to regulate artificial intelligence. We also know how to control nuclear weapons. It is not about lack of knowledge. It's about lack of will. Threats are real. Risk is rising. Clock is ticking. If we do not take action now, we may not get chance to act upon. We are authors of next chapter. There is still time to write a story of resilience, restoration, and rebirth. Not utopian, not perfection. Life with dignity. Survival with dignity. Life with a purpose. Let us act together. Let's make this world more beautiful than ever by acting upon a risk awaiting us. Hope this video has enlightened us about threats we are facing right now. Please like, comment, and share to maximum number of people to create awareness about our own future. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.